Hey guys, welcome back to my channel OJ Marketing. I'm here again with yet another amazing strategy you can use to make money online with CPA marketing right here. And if you do stick until the end of this video, I'm going to show you how you could actually go on to promoting your CPA marketing offers using a very cool platform that gets most of its traffic from top tier 1 countries. As you can see right here, from the United States, 93% of its traffic come from the United States, 3% come from Malaysia, 0.79% come from Germany, 0.67% from Canada, and you can see right here other countries out there get traffic from this website. So you can see that its traffic comes from tier 1 countries the most right now, and I'm going to show you how you could just simply promote your offers to such platforms. And guys, you can actually start making similar amount to how I'm making right here on this platform called CPA Grip. But before we dive right into the video right now, if you're new to my channel, I create videos on ways you could make money online with CPA marketing, affiliate marketing, and the use of other AI tools. If you like such content, scroll through my channel. There are a lot of videos that could help you out right now. Also, make sure that you're subscribed to the channel and your notification bell is always turned on all to get alerted whenever I do release videos that could help you boost your income online. And with that being said right here, let's dive right into the video of today. So the platform which we're actually going to be utilizing right here is actually called the Macy.net. So if you do head onto this platform called Macy.net right here, you can actually use this as your email marketing bluebird of happiness. You can actually use this platform to go on to sending lots of emails right now based on the number of credits which you do have to your account right here. So it is quite easy to go on to sign up to this particular platform called Macy.net. All you need to do right now is to actually come right here, click on join now. You will be brought to a page where you just want to provide your basic details right here. And if you provide your basic details such as your name, email address, and some other details right there, you can actually get your account created on this platform right here. It is quite easy right now, and you can see right now guys that you can actually go on to getting some credits. You can see on the home page I actually have 20 credits to spend right now. So firstly, I'm going to show you how you could get more credits, because the credits that we do have, that is what we're going to be using to promote our CPA marketing offers and get traffic to that. So what you want to do to get more credits right here is to actually go onto this section that says view mail. If you do click on view mail right now, you should be brought to a page that will look similar to this. So I'm just going to go on to refreshing this page right here, and you can see right here that this countdown is actually going to go on to loading up. Once the countdown runs out, we're actually going to be answering a very simple quiz right now via this particular section right here. So if you do come right here guys, you can see it says click the matching icon right now, and you can just simply wait for this page to load. As you can see, it says I've already received the credit for this email. So what I'm going to do right now is to close this tab, and you want to just simply head back to this particular section. You want to click on view mail once more. If you do click on that right here, I'm just going to come onto this section and click on claim your credit. So once I do click on that, the page is actually loading once more. When the page successfully loads guys, I could just simply easily go on to claiming credits on this platform. So right now you can see the question that is actually being asked. Click the matching icon, and you want to select one of these icons that actually matches with this right here, and that's this particular one. Once you select that, you can see I've been credited with 20 credits right now. If I actually do head back to my account right there and actually do this right here by clicking on claim credit again, it's going to take me to another page for me, which I have to actually go on to claiming a new credit right now. So once this page loads up, I can actually claim the next credit right there by completing a simple quiz right now. As you can see, this is the quiz right here. So I'm just going to select this, and I've actually been credited with another 20 credits, making 40 credits I've been credited with. So for me to actually go on to checking that, I'm going to scroll to the bottom page of this right here, click on home, and if I do that right now, you can see I already have 40 credits added to my initial 20 credits, making that 60 credits. And to promote this right here, you want to come right here, click on send mail. If you do click on send mail right now, you want to just simply click on click here to view mail credit mails right now. So right here you can see that it says you must click at least 5 members mails in order for you to send mail. You have only viewed 3 mails today. So I'm just going to go back right now and actually try as much as possible to go on to clicking on more senders mails right now. And if I do that right here guys, maybe I'm just going to go on to selecting a new one right now, such as this. So right now guys, I've successfully done that, so I'm just going to come back to this particular page. Maybe I'm going to go onto the top and click on send mail right now. If I do that right here, as you can see, I can actually go on to sending a mail. And to send a mail right now, you just need to go on to getting a CPA marketing offer which you want to promote. You could head back to this platform called CPA Grip, click on register. You're brought to this page right here and provide your basic details on all the fields having this red asterisk sign. If you do that guys, you want to just simply agree to the terms of service by clicking on these particular icons, and you could just simply click on register now. If you do click on register now guys, you can actually go on to logging into your account. And once you log into your account guys, you want to come onto this page right now which is called the offer page, and you can just simply get to this page by coming onto the offer tool section, selecting that, select my offers. We're brought to the page such as this, and make sure you filter your offer to the United States demographic, because most of the website traffic actually comes from the United States, as you can see right here, and it actually gets about 883,000 visits every single month right now, which was the last 28 days I did get that. So if you do head back to this section, you want to select a cool sweepstake offer. Maybe I can actually select this offer for a $10,000 giveaway. Once I actually do come right here, you can see more details to the offer right now. All you need to do right now is to copy the link address to this and actually go on to, copy the link address to this and go on to promoting that right now on this particular platform. So you can actually go on to see this section for links right now. You want to paste in the link right here, but before you paste in that link, it is very much important that you actually create a simple landing page. For that, you could use platforms like Google Sites, Breezy Cloud to create a simple landing page, or if you want to just simply learn more details about creating a landing page, come on to my channel right here called OJ Marketing. Click on this search icon and type in landing page. And if you do type in landing page right now, you could see videos I created for you that could help you go on to creating simple landing pages right now. So check out those videos right there, as they could help you get conversions to your offers right here. So once you create a landing page, there's a landing page link that we're actually going to be pasting right here in this section. But for now, let me just paste in the link to that particular CPA marketing offer. You could actually draft out a very cool text right now for this right here via the use of this particular platform called ChatGPT. So right now I'm logged into my account. I'm just going to ask ChatGPT to write a simple promotional mail for a $10,000 cash giveaway, and ChatGPT actually did that right here. You can see right here, enter now for a chance to win $10,000. You can see right here, it actually went on to writing a very cool text which you want to just simply copy right now. If I do copy this right here, you can actually do see more details. Just simply take advantage of this, copy this, head on back to that platform, paste that in right here, and just edit every section right here based on the offer right now. You can see this section which says insert link. You want to make sure you paste in the link to that particular offer right now, and actually insert a title and a message subject right here, and go on to publishing that on this particular page. So once you do click on send right now, you can send that and actually start making money right there based on the amount of credits which you do have. So it is quite important that you go on to getting a lot more credits right now. So utilize this strategy to make a lot of money online. If you have any question, leave that in the comment section down below. So don't forget to leave the like button to the video, subscribe to the channel, and make sure your notification bell is always turned on all. Thank you all for watching. See you all in my next video guys, and goodbye.